Body fat. You've wondered how much body fat you have. I've wondered how much body fat I have. But do we really know our body fat percentages? I mean, sure, you could measure your body fat using a body fat scale, a measuring tape, or you could even go to the doctor. But what if you could measure your body fat using only your camera? I planned to do this by finding a dataset of bodies and their corresponding body fat percentages. My idea was to create as many classes as possible, and then I would feed them into the AI. Afterwards, I would get the user input, give it to the AI, see the results of its confidences, and then calculate the body fat. The biggest challenge though was not to feel gay while collecting the images. No, I'm joking. The real challenge was that there was no such dataset. All of the data I found was tabular, which means I could not use it to create an image classification AI. That's fine, I could create my own dataset. But where would I find so many images of people's bodies? That's right, Reddit. Now, believe me when I say there's a subreddit for everything, because after some digging, I found a subreddit called Guess My Body Fat. Before you say anything about breach of privacy and whatnot, I'll have you know that I took permission from every one of them before collecting the data. The basis of the subreddit was pretty simple. You post an image of your body, and then they guess your body fat. So yeah, I know what you're thinking. Hassan, this isn't going to be accurate. And I agree with you, but that's the best I could work with. I created a program that took the images, calculated the average of all of the guesses, and then saved the image with the name being the average of all of the guesses. I thought that this was the best idea, but when I fed the images to the AI, I was faced with two problems. The first one being that I did not have enough diversity of body fat percentages such that I could create as many classes as I wanted. The second one being that there was so much noise in the images which brought down the accuracy to as low as 35%. What do I mean by noise? Let's take this image for example. I feed it to the AI and then it goes, oh, since there is some red scribbling in the image, this guy is 16% body fat. And so later, if this image is given to the AI, it would probably rule it as 16% body fat. So to fix this issue, I used another AI which spotted the person in the picture and then showed only that part of the picture. Finally, I made it zoom into the middle of the picture so that it gets the part we're interested in, scientifically. Now, that was the fix to the noise issue. As for the fix to the diversity issue, well, I just had to cut down the number of classes. After doing all of that, I started seeing better accuracy. But remember, I also cut down the classes. I was only working with 3 classes: fat, mid, and fit. A high accuracy in predicting one of these 3 classes did not necessarily mean it could get the body fat right. Now, what I mean by that is the AI was too confident. I would show it an image of a skinny fat person and then it would immediately think that he's obese, thus ruling him out to be 30% body fat. To fix this, I had to lower the AI's confidence. So I started bullying it. Instead of making it iterate through the images many times, I made it iterate through the images only 4 times. Thus decreasing its accuracy in predicting one of the 3 classes, but increasing its accuracy in predicting the overall body fat. Now, that was it for the AI, but I told myself since I went this far, I might as well create a website for people to use the AI. Unfortunately, I don't have a cool time-lapse showing how I made the website, but long story short, I don't want to do it again. It allows the user to input an image and estimate the body fat, and it also allows them to submit the image if they want to improve the AI. Which, by the way, it currently isn't perfect. It does a better job in predicting the body fat percentages in fit people compared to fat people. When I input an image of a fat person, it predicts the body fat to be lower than it actually is. Anyways, that's it for the AI for now. I plan to improve it in the future if I receive more images. I hope you guys enjoyed my journey, or should I say my struggle in developing this AI. Anyways, leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.